What's up guys, this is Gerald. Today I'm going to do a quick video for my 2020 RAV4 XSC Hybrid. I don't know if you can see, but it's 7 p.m. and it's 96 degrees right now in North Texas. What a great temperature, what a great weather. But in any case, I just got this car serviced for 5,000 miles or 6 months this morning, and I bought this car on February 8, 2020. I thought this was going to be a high mileage car because my commute is 30 miles one way. That's why I got a hybrid too. But then the pandemic happened, so I started working from home, just like many of you. And when I serviced this car, I only have 2,000 miles on the car, which is great. I don't complain. But yeah, this is my 2020 RAV4 Hybrid XSC, and I already installed a few accessories on the car. I installed the crossbar here, and that's the OEM genuine Toyota crossbar. I also used the Yakima front loader bike rack on the top. I also installed this rear light tint as well as the blackout emblem that covers all the emblem on the car. Before it's chrome, but now they're all blacked out. So today what I want to do, when I was servicing my car, I bought this floor liners and cargo liners because I have small kids and they are messy. So I bought this one. So this is the floor liners, and I'm going to show you that's the part number, and I think this costs about $170. And I already opened the floor liner. That's what it looked like. So what I already put in my carpet floor liner right here on the box, but this is what the car comes with. So a regular carpet floor liner, which is, I have two small kids and they just get pretty messy. So this is what I'm going to install. So the cost of this is, like I said, about $170, and it comes for the front driver and passenger, and also one piece on the back. And I have a WeatherTech before, and what I noticed is that this is not as deep as WeatherTech, and it's a little bit flimsier than WeatherTech, but it's still good quality. I mean, it's OEM, right? So the front at least is not as deep, like it's not as deep as the WeatherTech. I have that for my old Camry, and I like it. This one is good too. I mean, it's gonna be okay, but the lip is not as high as the WeatherTech, I feel like. But for the back, it the lip is higher, which is great because my kids are sitting on the back on the car seat, and that's where a lot of the mess are gonna be happening. But yeah, so this is the back side. It has the Toyota logo right there in the middle, and the material looks pretty good. It's alright. Like I said, it's a little bit, I feel like it's a little bit flimsier than the WeatherTech, but overall it's pretty good. So we're going to install this first, and then after that we're going to open this cargo liner and install this as well. Alright, so we're going to start with the driver's seat first, and this is the floor liner. It has these two holes that you need to attach to the bottom of the car. They have the clips there, so once you install them, you just need to twist this to lock it. And that's it. Next, we're going to install for the passenger front seat, and just like the driver's seat, it has this RAV4 logo as well, but it doesn't have the clip. Alright guys, as you can see, it fits perfectly. It should, as this is the original OEM accessories from Toyota that I bought from the Toyota dealer. Alright, so we are in the back seat now, and we are going to install this floor liner, all-weather floor liner for the back seat. There you go. It fits perfectly. Like I said, it has this Toyota logo in the middle, which is a nice touch. But there you go. As you can see, this is the back row and how it looks after installing the floor liner. It's very nice. Alright, next one that we're going to open and install is this cargo liner. And unlike the floor liner that it comes in a box, it doesn't come in a box, it's just come in this plastic bag. But this is the part number. Now, be careful when you are buying this for your RAV4 because there are two types apparently, and I didn't realize this until I got home. So the one that I have here, so my RAV4 has a subwoofer. I have a technology package which includes a JBL speaker, and so this is the subwoofer. So my RAV4 has a subwoofer, and this one right here is the one for the subwoofer. There is another one, so if you go to Toyota website, they have two different kind actually, and the part number is slightly different. So the one with the subwoofer, this is the part number, but the one without the subwoofer, instead of 6 here, it says 5. So just watch out, check your car, the type of your car, if it has that subwoofer or not. But apparently, if so, they're different, you know, between the one with the subwoofer and the one without the subwoofer. It's a different floor liner. I don't know what the difference is. I tried to check into the website. It doesn't say much, and they don't have picture. The picture, they're all the same for both part numbers, but just to let you know that they're different. So let's open it and install. Alright guys, so this cargo liner comes in two pieces. One is for the cargo, and the other one, this side here, is the one that's going to attach to the back of the back seat. So this is actually the main reason why I go with the OEM, because I know that there's a lot of other options. Some are much cheaper in Costco or Amazon, but most of them is only one piece, which is just this cargo piece right here, and it doesn't come with the liner for the back seat. So let me show you what I mean, why that's important, because so this is the back of the RAV4, and as you can see, this is, you know, this is cloth fabric material, and it doesn't have any other liners or anything. So this is it. So, you know, when you bring something, I don't know if you go to your friend's house, have a potluck, and you bring food on the back, if it's spilled, it's gonna ruin this carpet-like texture here. And I already fold down the back seat, and as you can see, the back seat also has the same texture. It's just like a carpet, you know. So when you're putting the back seat down and you're hauling something, this is exposed also, so it's gonna get dirty, and that's what happens. So I decided to go with the OEM one. It cost $100 for that one set, and yeah, I decided to go with that one just because it comes with the protection for this piece right here, the cargo, and also the back of your back seat, which I like. Alright, I have the back cargo liner installed, and like I said, this is the cargo liner with the subwoofer, so it goes under there. And I don't know what the difference is, to be honest. I don't know what the other RAV4, so this is again 2020 RAV4 XSE hybrid. I don't know what the other RAV4 that's without the subwoofer. I don't know what it looks like and how is it going to differ from this one, but that's what this one looked like. And mine has a subwoofer, so I ordered a part with the subwoofer by accident, thankfully. because I didn't know that they're different, and it works perfectly. Alright, last one, we're going to install this last piece right here, which is going to go on the back of that back seat. So these are the white ones here. They're actually just Velcro covers, so you want to remove all these first before you install, and they have Velcro all around the edges, so that way it sticks pretty well. As you can see, it's just Velcro all around. Also, if you happen to have a small kids and you have a car seat that you need to install and you use the top tether right there, you have to cut this because they don't have a pre-cut hole. But if you do, you have to cut this. That way, you know, there's an opening that you can still install the anchor to the tether. But for now, I don't want to do that because this is $100 I just paid this morning, and I don't know if I'm going to cut it well or I may ruin it, so I'm just going to leave it like that, and I won't use the top anchor for now, but just an FYI. Guys, this has been a quick video review and installation of the floor liner and cargo liner for my 2020 RAV4 XSE Hybrid. I hope this is helpful, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.